this is awesome. Durian queue everywhere on your way back from work, please. So it'll just go for the rest of the month, or what? So it's peak durian time. You don't like the sweetbread? Yeah, well here I guess, you know, it's more of a dessert thing, I think. So many 7-Elevens here. I could smell the jackfruit from a mile away. Yum. That stuff is so good. Peak season. It's peak durian season now. Well, tomorrow technically is, you guys were saying, tomorrow is the National or International Durian Day. So. Okay, we are so close to our little cafe heaven. It's just up here. Oh, what's this? Oh, we have to stop here, you guys. Oh, we have to stop here. Oh, wow. There's so many, like, papers hanging, but I can't tell. I don't know what they mean, but let's go inside. Take off your shoes. Is anyone here? Mural, Buddha. It's so tight, it's so silent in here. I wish I could read. I think maybe they are donator or something. Shrine in every corner. Dragon. Do you see the dragon up there? Oh no, it's like a fish dragon kind of thing. Another little shrine down here. And another shrine here. I think this is a list of names of donations and how much they donated. Maybe. I have no idea. I'm just guessing. Aw, that's awesome, Gas. No worries. Hi, what's this? Ah, that's so great. It was so quiet in there. And it's like right off the side of the street. But the minute you go inside, that's it. None of the street sounds. Just silence. It's pretty cool. It's just a Chinese temple. Oh, look, it's a truck. And on the back of their truck, they set up their sugarcane thing. สวัสดีค่ะพี่คะเอา small size แค่นี้นะใช่ค่ะเย็ดบาทจ้ะはい Alright, maybe I've never tried sugar cane. I think getting one from the back of a truck is an appropriate time to try. Is she gonna squeeze for me though? 'Cause that was the point. Oh no, they didn't squeeze for me. That's too bad. Oh well. I thought they were gonna squeeze me a fresh one. Hop one car. So you like put the sugar cane in here, right? And then like they crank it and then they squish the juice out of the cane. And then they collect the juice. So that's how it works. And do they add lemon? I don't know. She already gave me a prepared one. Pre-squeezed. You see all the used canes at the back there? So we missed the squeezing session. But it's been a while. It's been a while since I've been saying we need to try sugarcane drink. So let's try sugarcane drink. With the truck behind for aesthetic. Why not? Okay, cheers, chat. It's really... How do I describe this? It's very sweet. It's a natural sweet. Yeah, there's no lemon add, but I can totally see how that would work really well. This is just plain, just sugar cane. You can definitely tell that it's like a natural, like coming from a natural plant. It's very refreshing. It's sugar, it's sweet, but it's not like artificial gross sweet, you know what I mean? And there's like an earthy, planty aftertaste. It's the only way I can describe it. Like earthy, planty aftertaste. 10 out of 10 will recommend back of the truck sugarcane juice. Yeah, I'll definitely need to add one with the lime. They have sugarcane tower like beer tower. Wow. I can totally see how this can become addictive. Oh yeah. The more you drink it, the more you're like, oh, this is good. Do they add water or is the sugar cane already wet enough? I don't know, it's a good question. That was very refreshing. I feel alive now. I feel alive now. Well, that's a very normal way to get your street stuff, your street drinks. This guy, man, he wants to sell me his coffee. I'm like, dude. Hi, Aunt. So the ice and the juice is enough. Perfect. So I feel like all of this used to be a big, huge, bustling market as well. Oh. It's so sad to see places so empty. Ah. Hi, Cherry. Is sugarcane considered a fruit or a vegetable? It's a big plant. I guess a veggie? Ooh, omelet. I bet you that's the best, one of the best omelets ever. Ooh, old amulet stands. Whoa! Look at that big building in the back. It's all like breaking down and stuff. Must be a big